So the fourth aspect that we're going to be looking at is the Allsorter education piece. As we can see here, John Smith has provided us with Institute of Chartered Accountants in Ireland, UCC degree, and also his secondary level education that we do here in Ireland. As you can see, the system is highlighted in blue text here that Institute of Chartered Accountants in Ireland has not been brought across. This is because this is the incorrect name of the institute. And as you can see on the right hand side here, Institute of Chartered Accountants is actually the correct name. This is just something to be aware of. The highlighted blue text just shows that this system has not brought this information across. However, it may be stated in a different format. Our system also provides you with type of degree, which is a certificate, the course title. However, we do not have the capability to pull across the results that the candidate sought. So as the recruiter, this would be your job, your role using the system to copy and paste any information into the description section here that the candidate may have stated. As you can see here, results are pending. It's also important to note that each one of these cells represents one specific tag. So you can decide as the recruiter which pieces of information you wish to show on your exported template. So often recruiters will not state the grades gotten by the candidate and will leave the description piece out. They will also usually not use the type of degree. However, we provide you with all options and all avenues that you can use to try and give you as detailed a summary of a candidate as possible. Other things to note here is to ensure that the dates are correct, because sometimes a candidate can either spell a date incorrect or else the formatting is not consistent. The system will not pick this up, and as a result, it may miss a date. So it's important just to make sure that all the dates align, which means that the flow of the education is consistent with what the candidate has stated on the left-hand side.